Hi everyone, welcome back to another video file. We're still talking about questions related to objects, and here I am with another practical lesson for your grammatical range. Okay, as you know that when you talk about a part 2 question, you have to use variety of grammatical tenses, past tenses, present tenses, and of course tenses related to future. Right now, we're going to be dealing with past simple and past continuous to talk about an object. Let's see how we got to do it. Okay, follow me, please. Past simple, past continuous to talk about an object. Past simple to say how you got or first saw the object. This is the formula. Subject plus past simple verb plus object plus time expression. Let's take a look at this expression. This example, actually. I bought this camera 5 years ago on a trip to Turkey. This is a very simple sentence, but why am I teaching you all this? I'm not teaching you, I'm just simply reminding you to use these simple grammatical sentences to get a better score. Take a look. My friend gave me this watch for my 18th birthday. I found this book in a small second-hand shop near my house. Now, let's add past continuous. So we say past continuous, past simple for longer action plus shorter action. Take a look. Let me show you. So you can use these two formulas. Past simple first. If you don't want to use past simple at the beginning, you have to come up with these two connectors. So take a look. I saw this painting when I was walking through an art gallery in Paris. My parents bought this sofa while they were living in Dubai. So you see, past simple, past continuous. While I was borrowing a small market, I noticed the handmade bracelet. When I was studying at university, I got this laptop as a gift from my uncle. So listen to me carefully. All these sentences you see here are not simple sentences because we have one dependent clause here and one independent clause here. That means that you're going to get a better score in terms of grammar. So let's move on to a model answer. I'd like to talk about a small digital camera. Take a look. Adding adjectives, size, and the type. I often use when I travel. I bought this camera about 3 years ago when I was preparing for a family holiday. Before that, I usually took photos with my phone, but the quality wasn't very good. I first noticed this model while I was browsing in an electronic shop near my office. The shop assistant let me try it, and I immediately liked the clear screen and the lightweight. So you see, clear screen, talking about the feature, and there is another collocation, lightweight. A few days later, I went back and decided to buy it. The first time I used it was on a trip to Istanbul. We were walking around the old city one evening when I took a beautiful picture of the sunset over the mosques. That photo is still one of my favorites, and it always reminds me why this camera is special for me. So everyone, take a look. We have past continuous, past simple, all together make it a very special part 2 speech to get a better score in terms of grammar. All right, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to do the exercises. Thank you.